Today we are going to discuss about reactivity of alkyl halide towards SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. As we know that SN1 reaction, tertiary carbocation gives easily a product. So if tertiary alkyl halide is available for SN1 reaction, so this reaction become very fast reaction because of stability of tertiary carbocation, right? Tertiary carbocation highly stable and therefore they gives fast reaction in comparison to secondary carbocation, which are less stable as comparison to tertiary alkyl halide or tertiary carbocation. This secondary carbocation also less stable in comparison to, it is highly stable in comparison to primary carbocation. Primary carbocation, which are least stable. So SN1 reaction follows fast reaction towards primary to tertiary. SN1 reaction faster as we move primary carbocation or primary alkyl halide to tertiary carbocation or tertiary alkyl halide. Now, reactivity orders in respect to SN2 reaction. Reactivity order of SN2 reaction towards alkyl halide. In the case of SN2 reaction, we know that it is a single step reaction, and due to single step reaction, it gives very fast reaction if alkyl halide is primary, because of there is no formation of carbocation in the SN2 reaction. Therefore, primary alkyl halide easily react with SN2, easily gives SN2 reaction, right? So primary carbocation gives very fast reaction SN2 as comparison to secondary and comparison to tertiary. So if SN2 reaction faster, so in the single step SN2 reaction, primary carbocation does not form and therefore it easily gives SN1 reaction. The main reason is that in SN1 reaction it forms carbocation. So if tertiary alkyl halide is found, then it gives highly stability and therefore tertiary carbocation easily gives product in short time. So reactivity is very high. Tertiary alkyl halide, if available, then it gives SN1 reaction faster because of formation of stable carbocation. So it gives very fast reaction with tertiary alkyl halide because of its formation of tertiary carbocation. In the case of SN2 reaction, the primary alkyl halide form only primary carbocation and therefore it does not give SN1 reaction. Instead of it gives SN2 reaction faster because of there is no formation of carbocation in SN2 reaction. So the order of SN1 reaction towards alkyl halide is tertiary alkyl halide or carbocation, secondary and primary. So if we move primary to tertiary, reactivity of SN1 reaction increases or faster. If we discuss about SN2 reaction, then there is no formation of carbocation and therefore tertiary carbocation gives or take more time for formation of primary alcohol in SN2 reaction, and therefore reactivity order shifted towards tertiary to secondary, secondary to primary. So primary alkyl halide is easily gives SN2 reaction and form primary alkyl halide. So reactivity order of these two reactions are opposite. Thank you.